Welcome back to Virtual Reality. My name is Thomas and you're watching VoodooDE VR. Today I have another video of a VR accessory, and this is the VR Wave prescription lenses. This has a magnetic holder for your lenses. I will show it to you on the Oculus Quest 2, but it's also available on other headsets, and it comes in this cool package here. I will show what's inside, how you can mount it, and how much it costs, and what I think about it. You can find everything about VR and AR on this channel. Thanks to my sponsors, Woodcus VR, Opperman Events, Peter Was, My Virtual Escape, and Slim Beats. Let's have some fun with the video, and let's go!
VoodooDE.
Okay guys, so here we have this really cool package here. It's a small carrying case, and it's good quality. You can open it here, and then you see we have the two lenses here. They are packed in this plastic bag here, and when we check it out, we have this thing here, and these are two parts. It's just magnetic, as you can see here, and this is the lens part, and this is the holder part. It's just empty. And now, of course, you want to mount it on the Quest, and the first thing that you're gonna do is, of course, remove the facial interface here. I have this from VR Cover, but of course, if you have the original one, just remove it. And then it's very important that you check out which side is that. So here's a small L for left. So of course we put it on the left lens, right. So it's a little bit tricky to find the correct position here, but I think it should be here. You need some minutes to figure out. Yeah, now it's right. Okay. So look at this. This is placed here in the correct position. We have the three magnet points here, and this is the holder. You can leave it there, and then if you want to use the prescription lens, just zack, put it here, and then you have it. You can remove it very easily here, no problem. And now, of course, you have to get your facial interface again and put it back in place like this, and here you go. That's it. But what I want to show you, I will remove it, how big the lenses are. So look at this. It's so huge. Look at this. This is without the prescription adapter, and this is with. So it's a very big difference, and this is a huge problem. I will show you. So now when the problem is I have the smallest IPD range. So I have to put it on the minimum setting. And when I put it on my head now, give me a second, then it's just unusable. It's just unusable. My eyes and my whole nose is touching the lens. And this is crazy. It just doesn't work. It hurts here, and I just can't do that. So now you have to fix it a little bit. So in the package of the Oculus Quest 2, there is a small spacer that adds like a 3 millimeters distance between the eyes and the lenses. Then you can do a little bit more, and perhaps use a thicker VR cover or thicker facial interface, and then you can even have more space between the lenses and your eyes. But then you have the disadvantage that your field of view is much smaller. So, in my opinion, this is not a good thing. There are different lenses. I have some of the lenses that come from Germany. That's called Nasenfahrrad 24.de. I will put the link in the description below. And they are much better. They are the same price, but they are much better. They are better usable here. So for me, this is nothing. It's just it hurts my nose. It just doesn't work, and so I cannot recommend this. I don't know. However, if you have a bigger IPD, like a 70, then it's not a problem. Then you just move it, and then it doesn't touch the nose. Then it works. So it really depends on your IPD, and that's a problem. That's a real problem. So if you have a small IPD like 60, then it doesn't work for me at least. So I will put the link in the description below to VR Wave, and for the other one from Germany as well. The price, it depends on what do you want. So if you have if you want really prescription lenses, then the price can be up to $160 for the 2 lenses. But if you just only want a protection, only a glass, then it's $30 only. So it really depends if you want to have the prescription lenses, if you want blue light filter or anti-glare filter. When you want all of that stuff, you will pay up to $160. Yeah, so this is the price. The shipping is free then. And yeah, the from Germany, the lenses, they are a little bit the same price, up to 155 euro. And but they are better, in my opinion at least. And you can find them in the description below. So guys, yeah, that was the VR Wave. In my opinion, for me, it doesn't work. Perhaps for you it works when you have a bigger IPD. I hope you liked it. If yes, give me a thumbs up. And if you have other suggestions for VR lenses, then put them in the description below. That's cool for the others. And then thank you for watching and see you next time in virtual reality. See ya.
VoodooDE